Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are doing spelling sound mapping. Our first word is drag. D-R-A-G. Drag. I hear 4 sounds. D-R-A-G. 1 sound in each box. D-R-A-G. Please write drag on number 1. D-R-A-G. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend in drag. Our next word is trip. T-R-I-P. Trip. 1 sound in each box. T-R-I-P. Trip. Please write trip on number 2. T-R-I-P. Trip. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend in trip. Our next word is crop. K-R-O-P. 4 sounds. K-R-O-P. 1 sound in each box. K-R-O-P. Crop. Please write crop on number 3. K-R-O-P. Crop. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend. Our next word is fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. 1 sound in each box. F-R-E-T. Fret. On number 4, please write fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. With your highlighter, highlight the initial R blend. Our next word is brim. B-R-I-M. Brim. 1 sound each box. B-R-I-M. Brim. Please write brim. B-R-I-M. Brim. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend. Our next word is the word grin. G-R-I-N. Grin. 1 sound in each box. G-R-I-N. Grin. On number 6, please write grin. G-R-I-N. Grin. With your highlighter, highlight the initial R blend in grin. Our next word is trap. T-R-A-P. 1 sound in each box. T-R-A-P. Trap. Number 7, write trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend. Our next word is frog. F-R-A-G. Right, frog. F-R-A-G. Frog. Number 8, right, frog. F-R-A-G. Frog. With your highlighter, please write the initial R blend. Our next word is trek. T-R-E-K. One sound in each box. T-R-E-K. Trek. Please write trek. T-R-E-K. Trek. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend. Our last word is the word crib. K-R-I-B. Crib. One sound in each box. K-R-I-B. Please write crib. K-R-I-B. With your highlighter, highlight the initial R blend. Way to go, flip your paper over. Okay, my friends, today we are looking at L blends and R blends. And we have to decide if the word is missing the initial L blend or the initial R blend. So the first picture is climb. K-O-I'm. It is missing the C-L blend. Our next picture is crawl. Cur-all. It is missing the C-R blend. Crawl. Next picture is of close. Cool. L-C-L blend. Our next picture is a picture of a cur-own. Cur. That is the C-R initial blend. The arrow is pointing to the pizza crust. Cur-ust. Cur. It is missing the C-R blend. Then we have a crane. Cur-ain. What blend is it missing? That's right. Cur, the R blend. Then we have a picture of a coal-ock. Coal-ock. What blend is it missing? C-L, coal-ock. Last, we have a clown. Clown. It is missing the C-L blend. Okay, our next side, we have another L blend, B-L, bowl, or B-R, burr, an R blend. First picture is of a brush, burr, missing the B-R blend. Then we have a bowl-ender, bowl-ender. We're missing the B-L blend, bowl. Then we have a bur-ick, bur-ick, B-R. Then I have blood. You can donate your blood to help other people. Bull-ud, bowl, B-L blend. Then we have a bull-inket, bull-inket, We are missing the BL blend. Next picture is of a bridge. Bridge. We are missing BR. Bridge. Then we have a picture of a brain. Brr. R blend. BR. Brain. Last picture is blow. Blow. We are missing the BL blend. Bowl. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.